Kira, don't. No.
I asked you to make me a bullet. You said yes. So make me a bullet.
You're right, I said yes. But that was peak heat of the moment. In the intervening hours, I've been taking a deep dive into their options and contingencies, trying to game out any iteration in which charging into this enterprise makes any sense. I'm not trying to definitively stop you. Just maybe slow your roll. Maybe hidden for some lulling, a false sense of security wise.
I'm not waiting, Eugene.
Well, that's just being stupid.
Pendejo, you don't know what the hell you're talking about.
I think I do. I've analyzed this top to bottom. It doesn't matter if you're stealthy, snappy, gun, or knifey. Abraham was right. They have the numbers. It's a ballgame. Let's put together a finish and move for the force of many along with the man in charge. A single bullet ain't gonna do it. Best case, maybe you take him out.
Then make me a bullet.
Somebody's gotta pay the price. Even if you're willing. From all we've seen, it's not a lock you'll be the one.
Will the man who killed the man who saved our lives die?
Maybe.
Then make me a bullet. You're not talking me out of this, Eugene. You owe me, and you owe him. And if there's a price, I'll pay it. But don't you tell me no. You don't know anything. You don't do anything. You're a coward. And you're weak. The only reason you're alive is because you lied and because people feel sorry for you. So for once, do something useful and make me a bullet.